We're going to take you through the assembly of the DK2 OPC524 wood chipper. Assembly will take an hour, and you'll need 1/2, 5/8, and 7/8 wrenches. Open and unpack all items. Leave yourself lots of workspace. Remove all the hardware from the axle. Install wheels with the valve stems on the outside, then washer, then tighten the nut. Tip the unit back and balance it with a helper. Place the chip chute on the chipper. Install the feed chute on the 2 hinges. You may need to use a rubber mallet. These are tight-fitting to reduce vibration noise. Close the chute and latch it. Plug the safety key shutoff wire connectors together. You can now hold the chute by the handles to tip the unit back, so you can install the hitch. Using the feed chute, tip the unit back, raising the front end up. With the front end raised, install the tow bar hitch bracket using the hardware provided. Assemble the tow stand and insert the hitch pin. Lower the unit back to level, resting it on the drop stand. Insert the tow bar and secure it with the tow bar screw lock. Tip the unit up to install the axle assembly. Install the chute guide with the safety shutoff. Plug in the quick connector for the safety shutoff. Install the chip chute deflector and tighten the locking handles. Install the toolbox under the feed chute. Your OPC524 is fully assembled. Make sure all hardware is tightened. Please refer to your Kohler engine manual for full engine operation, safety, and maintenance procedures.